Dear colleagues, I hope you will agree with me, especially those of you who attended both sessions, morning session and afternoon session, that we had a productive work. We see that quite a number of projects have results who are rather close to be introduced into production. But of course, not all of them. Some of them are yet rather far from this aim. But nevertheless, we are finishing now our two programs devoted to nanomaterials and nanotechnologies. One of them was initiated by the National Academy of Sciences. Another one, a larger one, was started by our government. So soon we will make reports both to Academy and to our government, and we will see the results, whether or not further our projects will be supported. At least Academy is ready to support further. We hope that our government will also help us to continue our research work and our applications. So I was very glad, was happy to hear also reports made by some of our foreign colleagues. I think that you are definitely rather brave people, because you came to our country, our still vibrating and even fighting country. So thank you very much for your readiness to come and to share with us your information about your very interesting works. We see that you have rich possibilities, technical equipment, which we do not have. And anyway, I see that all of you can use these personal contacts to initiate new cooperation with our colleagues from abroad. So I think my personal impression is that we had a productive session, and all of you have these CDs with brief information about the projects. Some of you have also paper versions. So I must add that all the information about our results will be presented at the site of our academy, and at the disk you have address of this network which was created within the framework of these programs. So please read the information, and if you will be interested, welcome to write to us and propose, perhaps we hope for this, propose some ideas for our further cooperation. I would like also to thank Olena Fesenko, who was the main organizer. Very, very hard work made by her was really impressive. I must confess that I several times had a headache from her activities, but nevertheless, you see that work was done, and she deserves our thanks. So, Olena, I ask you to give information about the attendance of our translation, of our internet presentation.
First, let me to say thank you everybody, and the main goal of this meeting, it is second meeting, to help you share information about your technology and to find new contacts, new ideas. Now situation in Ukraine is not traditionally very hard, and we decided to do online streaming and invite many persons from other countries. You can see.
I am afraid they don't not all see. So please come to the screen and repeat the numbers.
Okay. Total number of participants more than 500, you can see, and from more than 29 countries. Such countries as Ukraine. From Ukraine it is 499 person. So now we have 499 persons from Ukraine, from different region. From Turkish about 10, India 6, Poland 5, Russia 4, United States 4, Austria 3, Germany 3, Iran, Iraq, Belarus, Sweden 3, Greek Republic 2, Algeria, Iran, Romania, Armenia, Denmark, France, United Kingdom, Korea, Moldova, Mexico, Slovakia, and it is about 1-2 person who see our presentation. So totally we have participants from 29 countries. Thank you for your attention.
So, thank you once again to all the participants. Good luck to you and go ahead with the nanotechnologies.